This will get rid of ants for good and keep them away from the spots where they keep showing up. Grab a small container and pour in about 500 milliliters of warm water. Now crush 2 white aspirin tablets into a fine powder and add them to the water. The warm water helps them dissolve more quickly. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Its strong smell can help disrupt the scent trails ants use to travel back and forth. Stir everything well until the mixture is fully combined. Now pour it into a clean spray bottle. Spray the solution anywhere you've been seeing ant activity or anywhere they're forming trails. As the vinegar helps break up their scent trails, ants may avoid those treated areas and begin searching for another route. For the best results, reapply whenever the scent fades or after mopping or heavy rain if you're using it outdoors. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.